to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have another short story unboxing. I'm getting them monthly, so I've been pretty happy. This is the third one. Let's see how it is. We are, of course, opening her up today with our trusty rusty screwdriver. She's still here. She's still holding strong. You know, it's fall. It's fall. I just showed, you guys know the It's Corn video song. I just showed that to my coworkers today. There's a couple of them. I hadn't seen it. Dun, dun, dun. I'm getting it open, I swear. It's just kind of difficult because, there it goes. There we go. All right, I don't want to see stuff, but my notes inside here with this prices and things are on the back. Happy Short Story Day. I'm so happy you love the jeans in your last box. I did. If you haven't watched that, it's over there. I was able to find a very similar pair, not exact, in a blue denim for you to try. Let me know if you love them just as much as the other ones. For a cozy fall day, pair these jeans with the fun color block sweater and finish off the look with a pair of neutral booties. How do you like the loose fit of this top? The Isabel maxi skirt is perfect for the fall months. I mean, the color is named Pumpkin. Pumpkin? Can you get any more fall than that? Pair this skirt with a super flattering black bodysuit and complete the stunning look with black booties. How do you like bodysuits? Nah. What else are you needing for the fall months? I can't wait to hear your reply. Happy styling, Paige. Thanks, Paige. My battery's about to die. So, I don't have any batteries charged. So we'll do this part real quick and then I gotta charge the battery. But here's the bundle. Look at her. Look at her. She's cute. All right, let's bust her open while we can. Let's see. All right, we have a top. Oh, she's like a cute little dolman and she's got ruching on the side and she's got cuffs on the sleeves. Wonderful. Batteries flashing at me. We have a black rack bodysuit. She cute. This must be the skirt. She's really cute. She's tiered, elastic, no pockets, but really cute. Even though it's orange and navy, that's still really cute. And we have some jeans, very similar to the black ones. They have cuffed at the bottom. They feel very stretchy. They're by Democracy. And we have, ooh, she's so soft. This color block sweater. V-neck. She's kind of got a little sparkle through her too, a little bit. Very, very soft, very stretchy. Balloon sleeves. Let's try stuff on. Okay, a lot of things have happened since you last saw me. I started making dinner. I'm making spaghetti. I had a Bloody Mary. The battery's charged. Here we go. Here is the bodysuit. To be honest, I did not suit up this bodysuit. I did not, because it doesn't need to be. It's quite form-fitting already. So to be honest, like, I don't really need it to be bodysuited. This skirt is very pretty, but I feel like the first seam hits right below, like right at the hips, and I feel like that just accentuates the stomach area. So I feel like if the seam were up here more, here's a skirt, here's where it goes. It's already way up here. So I feel like if the seam were up here more, that would be better, personally. There's a little bodysuit popping out. Let's see. Let's take a look. But otherwise, it's like super pretty, super cute pattern. I think it's really nice for fall. It hits at a nice length, like mid-calf. It's really pretty otherwise. And then this is really comfy too. It's got the surplice kind of top, so I have a cami on. So you can open it as like low or as covered as you need to. Yeah, it's really cute. This fits really nice as a bodysuit. It's probably nice too. Here, let's pretend. I just feel like I'm in dance class when I wear a bodysuit. So, I don't know. Like a leotard, you know what I mean? So, these are nice, but I don't know if they're winners. Let's see what else there is. All right, next we have this nice neutral top for fall. I really like the cuffs. I don't know if I'm crazy about the ruching on the side. I don't know. What do you guys think? But be nice, like, just be nice, you know? It has like the curved hem. I would call it kind of like a mushroom color. You guys think? It's just okay. I think it's nice. I think I like the black top better because it has like the V-neck. But it's kind of like a slight dolman, rouged. It's got a lot going on. The jeans are nice. They fit very much like the black ones I kept. They have a really nice length still too. I have been wearing the heck out of those black jeans already. But these have a really nice length. I think it's a really nice wash. I have $20 invested in this box. If you want to know more about Short Story, it's below. And there's a referral link and all that jazz too to waive your styling fee if you want to try it. I think these are a really nice length as well. Okay, but they're Democracy, so they're probably expensive, just like the other ones. All right, let's try on the color black sweater. Okay, it's itchy. And I don't know. I like the length of it. Like everything I've gotten from Short Story so far, like the length of all the items, like these jeans and the shirts and things, have been really good. Like what I want. Could like tuck it in. It looks cuter that way, I think. But it's kind of itchy, and like it has where did I see? Sorry, I just choked. Where did I see it? Oh, right here. So like where the color changes, it has these like stitches kind of thing in the different color, which is kind of interesting, kind of like patchworky almost. And I don't know if I like that or if I don't. I can't tell. But it's really itchy. Like even just having it on right now, it's really soft, but it's itchy at the same time. It's acrylic, polyester, and nylon, so something in it is itchy. Okay, so let's go over prices and see what I'm gonna keep. Prices, here we go. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like these kinds of unboxings. And like I said too, if you want to know more about Short Story, there's a description down below, $20 styling fee. They send you items, you send back what you want to keep, $20 goes towards your box if you keep something. Okay, wait. The top that I said was mushroom color, that's the color that they have listed on here, so that's hilarious. The Chase top by Hayes in the color mushroom, $44. The Isabel tiered maxi skirt by Dress Forum in the color pumpkin, $58. The Sophia short sleeve wrap bodysuit by Minta in black, $54. The Bonanza V-neck color black whip stitch pullover by Dreamers in taupe purple ivory, $64. And the Absolution ankle skimmer jeans by Democracy in indigo, $78. So if I kept the jeans, I'd be paying another $58. I don't know what I'm gonna keep. I wanna keep something because I spent $20 on this box. I don't know. I did like the bodysuit, but I just haven't tried it as a bodysuit yet. But I did like it. I liked it better than the mushroom top. And that would be $34 if I kept that. So I think I might do that because after I got the black jeans in my last Short Story box, I put a link up there earlier, but you can go through my videos and see. I went on Poshmark and I searched for like that same type of style by Democracy, and I found some jeans on there for like $28 because it's good to thrift. Thrift if you can. I'll leave my Poshmark, I think, down below too. Yeah, so I think I might keep that black bodysuit. We'll see. I don't know. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to try Short Story, my referral link's down below, as well as all my other referral links. If you watched it till the end of this video, leave a tomato emoji for the Bloody Mary I had while I cooked spaghetti, which also uses tomatoes. Full circle. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.